Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to AYG Science Tech World YouTube channel. So in this video we will see how to create a Twitter account with Gmail account. So let's start our video. So first open the Play Store and type Twitter in search bar. Now click on install to install Twitter. After installing, open the app. Click on continue with Google. Again click on continue. Now choose a Google account you want to add in Twitter. And again click on continue so that you will sign in to your Twitter. Select your date of birth with the help of scroller below. Now click on next. Again click on next. Now you have to type about yourself in brief. After typing yourself, click on next. Now the Twitter will ask you what should we call you. Simply the username in Twitter. After entering your username, click on next. Now click on sync contacts option. After that, allow the Twitter to access the contacts. So these are the suggested follows by the Twitter. That means the known ones for us. So if you don't follow, no problem with that. Now choose your mother tongue or choose English. After selecting, click on next. Now select the topics that you are mostly interested. After selecting, click on next. Now you will definitely follow one of these accounts. After that, click on next after following one account. So now your Twitter account has created. Now click on this account icon. Now click on profile option. So now you can able to see your account.